Now, let's dive into the attendance section of the Manager dashboard. In this section, we have the Deviation tab. Here, managers can easily review attendance deviations for all employees. If there are any discrepancies, such as checking in from another location or issues like auto-checkouts, the manager can approve or reject the deviation. Additionally, they can send the deviation for review either to HR or to the employee themselves for clarification. As you can see, there's also a report section, which allows the manager to view detailed attendance reports for any given employee over a specific timeline. These reports can also be downloaded for further review or record keeping. Moving on to the leave section, managers can easily access the leave data for the entire team. This includes a filter option, which allows you to view leave data based on various parameters. Furthermore, managers can also download an employee's leave report with the timeline for better tracking and planning. Overall, the Manager dashboard simplifies the process of overseeing attendance and leave management, saving time and improving operational efficiency.